Good morning. I welcome you all for the practical session 5 of Unit 2 Electrical Fundamentals. Myself, Sahana, lecturer in Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department from Government Polytechnic, Udupi. Let's start with the experiment number 5. Title: Determine the equivalent resistance of a parallel connected resistances. Aim of the experiment is to determine and verify the effective resistances of a parallel network when three resistors are connected in parallel. Apparatus required: resistors 3 number, multimeter 1 number, connecting wires 5 numbers. Circuit diagram: the resistor R1, R2, R3, one end is connected to common point, that is a starting end. The other ends of the resistors R1, R2, R3 as a finishing end is connected across the multimeter. Let's have the theoretical calculations. As we know the values of resistance R1 and R2 and R3, find out the effective resistance. So it is given by 1 by R theoretical RTH is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. The effective resistance of a parallel network is given by the reciprocal of the resistance is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistors. So that is calculated and written as RTH. Now go through the procedure how to conduct the experiment. First one, check the components, that is the resistors and multimeters for their proper working. Measure the resistance value for all resistors by using multimeter. Even though we know the value of resistor, we can verify by using multimeter. Rig up the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram. Note down the multimeter readings and tabulate the result. Let this value will be a practical value. Now compare this practical value with the theoretical value for each case. Practically, the effective resistance value is found to be RPRA is equal to. So it is determined from the experiment. Result. In the result column you have to write the theoretically obtained value of effective resistance RTH is equal to. It is the theoretical value. Practically derived value is practical value of effective resistance RPRA is equal to. It is a experimental value. Comment on the experiment carried out. The practical value of effective resistance when three resistors are connected in parallel should be approximately equal to the theoretical value by neglecting all the tolerances. Hence, the experiment is verified. Now, Mr. Hemant Kumar will explain how to conduct the experiment in the laboratory.
Good morning everybody. Myself Hemant Kumar ML, working as a lecturer in Electrical Department, GPT KGF. Today we are here to discuss the fifth experiment of the second unit, that is to find out the effective resistance when the three resistors it is connected in parallel. So here we have the circuit diagram, that is R1, R2 and R3. It is connected in parallel and it is given to the multimeter. To calculate the value of three resistance when it is connected in the parallel circuit, to calculate the effective resistance of that, we have connected across an multimeter. So first let us see the theoretical part. When the three resistors are connected in parallel, the formula to calculate the effective resistance, it is taken as 1 by R effective is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So in the circuit diagram, I have just taken the value of R1 as 100 ohm, R2 as 1 kilo ohm and R3 as 10 kilo ohms. So now by equating the values of R1, R2 and R3 in the formula, we get the 1 by R effective is equal to 0.0111. So to calculate the effective value, just take the inverse of that, and the final value of R effective, it is taken as 90.09 ohms. Coming to the practical part, to find the effective resistance of 3 resistors. So the components we require to do this experiment it is, one it is I have just taken one breadboard, 3 resistors, one it is of 100 ohm, 1 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm, and I have just taken one multimeter. So by keeping all the equipments, just connect 3 resistors in parallel as shown in the circuit and a connecting wire to measure the value of resistance using multimeter. So I just connected 3 resistance of 100 ohm, 1 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm in parallel, and the 2 extension wire, nothing but the connecting wires to connect it for an multimeter. So after connecting this, just connect the positive terminal to one side and the negative terminal to another side. And you can see the value of effective resistance in the multimeter. It is around 89.6 ohms. So when it comes to practical value, because of a tolerance, we may have the changes in a value compared to the theoretical value. So in case of theoretical, we got an exact value of around 90.09 ohms, and when it comes to the practical, we are getting almost similar to that, and it is around 89.7 ohms. So I hope you all understood the concept how to find the effective resistance when connected in parallel circuit. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for conducting the experiment in the laboratory. Let's see the LMS E-Content team members for Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronic Engineering are Srimati D. Aruna, Chairperson, SJ Polytechnic, Bengaluru. Shri Vijay Kumar, Coordinator, Government Polytechnic, Chintamani. Srimati Shilpa, Member, SJ Polytechnic, Bengaluru. Shri Wazid Ahmad, Course Moderator, Government Polytechnic, Immadihalli, Bengaluru. Shri Hemant Kumar, ML, E-Content Developer, GPT, KGF, Kolara. Myself, Srimati Sahana, E-Content Developer, Government Polytechnic, Udupi. Thank you very much.